or measures that we don't know.
If they're parallel.
But the key is that these two lines must be parallel to each other. If they're not parallel, then none of that works. All right? All right, let's look at one more thing that we can have to set up proportions. And we'll write it out before we look at it. Okay. This is a corollary. Which you don't have to label it as, no, I'm sorry, it's not. This is another theorem. This is the triangle angle bisector theorem. The triangle angle bisector theorem. I know that sounds like a tongue twister. It sounds like a Dr. Seuss book. Says if a ray bisects the angle of a triangle, then it divides the opposite side into segments proportional to the other two sides. Okay, it's a lot of words. We're going to look at a picture and we're going to see exactly what it's talking about.
Yeah, well,
Why are you whispering? They'll know it's coming up.
We're recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was about to ask you why we were recording.
No, I don't want one today. Good.
Next Friday. All right, y'all done?
No.
Well,
Yes.
hurry up.
Alright.
Triangle angle bisector theorem. Again, if a ray bisects the angle of a triangle, it divides the opposite side into segments proportional to the other two sides. All right, we're moving.
Nope. Yeah, we gotta go backwards.
Okay. Now remember, in the theorem before this, the key was that extra segment inside had to be parallel to the third side. Now, the key to this theorem is that one of the angles must be bisected. If it's not bisected, then this proportion does not work out. But I want you to see here. I'm going to call this line T. Is line T bisecting the angle that it is drawn from?
Yes.
Yes, and we know it is because of the tick marks that are drawn. Line T divides the bottom side of the large triangle into two segments. Do you see the two segments? Segment B and segment D. This theorem states that one of the sides of the angle over the little segment created is proportional to the other side of the angle over the other segment created.
And the triangle's similar because of the.
And the two triangles are similar to each other also. Okay?
Because of the.
Do not say also at
outside.
the end of a sentence. Yes. Blakeman does that. It's really accurate.
Okay. Are y'all ready? So how do we use that in this situation? Don't look at the answer yet. Kind of late. And I'm not even.
It's locked in.
No, it's not. Okay. Wow. For those of you viewing at home, we would call that a mishap.
What happened? I wasn't even watching.
I know the answer.
All right. If I'm looking to find the value of x, the key is, put it this way, if I did not know this, if all I had was this picture, and I am not told that anything's being bisected, can I apply the proportions to find x? No.
No.
You have to know that the angle is bisected,
Or if they tell you that it's similar.
but we don't know that yet.
Oh.
Okay? If it's bisected, then I can set up a proportion where 9 over
X.
is equal to
7/12.
7 over 12. And then you can use your means of solving proportions to find the value of x.
15 point something.
Okay? Cross multiply and divide and find the value of x, whatever it is. Alright. So, we have several different proportions. It's still all dealing with similar triangles. Remember, what were the three ways of proving triangles similar?
Don't even know.
Side angle, side.
Side angle,
Side
angle.
angle.
Side.
Side, angle, side, angle, angle, and side, side, side. Okay? Alright. Your homework tonight, over the weekend, you've already done assignment number 16.
Yes.
You are going to be doing this, assignment 17. Putting these new theorems into practice. Page 272, 1 through 17, the odds.
It's sad we have a basketball game tonight.
Now let's talk about,
We have 2 games on Sunday.
We have like 8. You have 3 days.
stop talking.
Inside. Shh.
Thank you, all my shushers. Alright. Now let's talk about what we're going to do next week. Monday, we are going to review. Tuesday, we are going to test on chapter 7. Tuesday, you are going to be turning in your binders. This Tuesday. Okay? So I still have to look at some homeworks that were turned in, but I will return all of those Monday. Get your binders in order over the weekend, so all you have to do with those I return to is stick them in place.
Wait, test Tuesday?
Recording.
Test Tuesday, binders will be due Tuesday.
You still want our old notes in there, right?
From the first quarter?
Yes.
No.
What notes
You're
do you
supposed to
want?
keep those.
Yes, I want you to keep them, but I don't want you to turn them in again.
I think I might have accidentally thrown it mine away.
And remember, you're not turning in your entire binder. You need that little folder to put your stuff in. Okay. Let me stop recording.
I think that little folder is in